Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on process of removing Google Authenticator from BitGet. If you are looking to do this, just follow the easy steps and you'll be able to complete it without hassle. Start by launching the BitGet wallet app. Make sure you are logged in. At the top left, you'll notice a menu icon. Tap on that. You'll then be taken to a new screen with several options displayed. At the top, you'll see your wallet, and next to it, there's an arrow icon. Go ahead and tap it. This will lead you to another screen where you can find various options. Go ahead and tap Security. Look for the Google Authenticator option and tap on it. If your account isn't linked to Google Authenticator, you'll see that notification. But if it's connected, you'll see the option to unbind Google Authenticator. Simply tap on that, and your account will be disconnected from your Google Authenticator. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.